Mom, my shoes are very old.
I know, Jasmine. I'm sorry.
Look at her old shoes. They are so torn. Please don't laugh. I hope nobody laughs at me today. Look at her old shoes. They are so torn. Please don't laugh. I wish I had new shoes.
Jasmine, are you okay?
Mom, I'm okay.
Why are you sad, Jasmine?
Mom, they laughed at my shoes.
Oh, Jasmine. I'm so sorry. Don't worry, Jasmine. I will help you.
Thank you, Mom.
I will save for Jasmine. Just a little more.
Mom will help me.
I did it! I saved enough. These are perfect for Jasmine.
Wow! New shoes! Thank you, Mom.
You deserve them.
I love my new shoes.
You look wonderful, Jasmine.
Wow! New shoes. They look really nice. Thank you. Jasmine, we're sorry. We should not have laughed. It's okay. Be kind to everyone. Never make fun of anyone, okay? If you like this video, please like and subscribe and share it with your friends.